This 2015 Entegra Coach Aspire 44B is a Class A RV. It is located in Longs, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV North Myrtle Beach. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Entegra coach is 44 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 80 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features couples coach, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2015 Entegra Coach Aspire 44B is built on a Spartan MMGT chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.